Nagpatangal sa di mapigil na pag-ibig. Pag mahirap ako, paano ko susukatin kung ilan at hanggang saan ang abot ng pagmamahal? Ngayon gumugulo sa aking isipan, pag-ibig ng puso ko, bawat ngiti, bawat higpit, ngayon ay hawak mo, bawat yugto ng buhay ko, bawat hakbang, bawat galaw, ngayon ay kailangan mo. Ang dami kong hinihiling, ako'y laging mahalin, at sana'y ingatan mo baka tumigil, sana'y itago mo baka maglaho. Pag-ibig ng puso ko sumasamba, nagmamahal sa'yo. This is another movie. I remember the second movie we did. Oh, the first after we did. Pero alam naman nila, alam niyo colorblind yan.
Oo nga,
Totoo.
sa totoo lang.
Ang ganda ng salamin mo.
Masama, guys.
Yung salamin niya pang colorblind, so he'll see the real colors. What colors is this? Do you see?
I see love.
Ah.
See beautiful
What
things.
color is this?
Okay.
Ano ba to? Nakatulog ka ba?
Binigay niya sa akin to para makita ko siya mas malinaw.
Hindi ako, mga kulay.
Okay. I see bright colors.
No one.
I see beautiful things. That's important.
Don't make palusot. What color is this?
Pink.
See? Nung boyfriend ko siya, mayroon suot na pink yata yung shirt.
Hindi, kasi yung ilaw.
Sabi niya nung sinulatan niya, baby, I really love this green dress. Sabi ko, kaya green tawag niya doon, pink yung suot. Yung pala, colorblind. It's nothing. Hindi lang siya pwedeng maging pilot, pero lahat pwede niyang gawin. Kasi gusto niya maging pilot.
Yes.
After gusto niya maging dentist, ang layo.
Sino sa inyo ang colorblind? Colorblind
See?
ba?
You also.
Greens and reds. Light determines color, right? Without light, ito iba-ibang
You know what color this is? Can you tell?
Yeah, what color is
What
this?
color do you think it is?
Teal.
Beige?
Beige daw.
Diyos ko talaga naman. It's aqua. Because my favorite group is shiny. Kasi talaga.
So aqua is close to blue? Tama ba?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But you said pink.
No, kasi yung greens, blues, pink, reds, maroon, yan ang mga nag-halo-halo. And sometimes blues and purples and violets, right? Yeah, so it's basically everything, no? Okay.
Oh, I want to be educated.
No, pero thank you dahil sa'yo galing ito. Hanggang ngayon, suot ko pa.
Nagulat ako sa
Sa lahat ng vlog ko, gamit ko to.
Siyempre, para makita mo yung kulay, hindi dahil naalala mo ko. Yun ang anong point ko. Dahil hindi, siya lang ang kilala kong colorblind, so I really wanted him to see real colors. Apparently, not yet. Or baka he sees this color but he doesn't know the name. What do you think pink is? Pag stoplight, anong tingin mo? Red, green, and yellow. Anong nakikita mo?
Go lang.
Go lang. Ilang kaya aksidente nito
Basta
sa
go lang tayo ng go. Tuloy ka sabi ko, di ba wala tayong gagawin dito kundi mag-in.
Go lang ng go.
Oo, go lang tayo.
Okay, go naman ng go. Kaya kantahin na natin to. Itong mesala, kung ba't tayo naging close.
Okay, itong...
Nananahimik ang
ito
buhay
yung
ko,
aming
nakilala mo
unang pelikula na ginawa.
Yes. I was 15 and you were 17. And I did not like to talk to you all throughout shooting because I thought you were mayabang. And looking back, nahiya naman ako kasi wala naman siyang ginawa para baka isipin ko mayabang siya. Sabi ko, ang gwapo nito, mayabang yan. Yun, so mali ako. Yan, naging asawa ko, may anak kami. Tapos wala din, kumanta akong Never Say Goodbye. Walang nangyari. Pero itong maganda memories namin dito. Sige na, ikaw naman magsalita, nahiya na.
Ano nangyari? Alam mo ba?
Dito ako na naman.
Mamaya, akala ko wala ang tao. Tayong dalawa lang.
Kailangan naman sa
Mamaya na kami mag-usap sa likod. Okay, ito ang una namin ginawang pelikula. Dito po kayo siguro unang nakakita ng pelikula namin dalawa.
This is the first movie of ours that you watched siguro, no? And we all, most of us grew up together. A lot of you maybe were influenced by your parents, di ba?
Yes!
So we are Sharon and Gabby, and this was made in 1981. I was 5.
Nasa akin pa yung t-shirt niya.
Oh!
Oh, so,
Toyo!
pera ko sa'yo.
Papa-frame ko yun. Sige,
Bigay
bibigay
ko
ko sa'yo
sa'yo.
to. Ang pangit.
Okay.
Frame natin.
Frame natin.
Umpisa na natin. Oh! Naku, wholesome.
Parang hindi nagbago ah.
Glowing na glowing yung dalawa. Oh. Parang in love sila, pero hindi pa naman dyan. Sinagot kita sa tabing na eh.
Yung t-shirt na yan. Nasa akin pa.
Nasa'yo pa yan? Parang walang awa.
Kasya pa rin.
Siyempre.
Pero nakaunat na gusto. Okay?
Okay.
Okay na yun.
Sorry, Nico. Nilong-ilo na yung musical director namin.
Pinaalis na daw tayo. Dalihan mo daw.
Dear heart, ikaw raw ay batang-bata pa.
Ganda mo, ate. Grabe.
At di mo pa kayang mag-isa.
Sa bawat kaba. Ay, pinagpapawisan mo yun.
Yakapin mo na.
Mamaya na.
Mamaya.
Ang pag-ibig mo'y nadarama.
Di ka Sa batang katulad mo, ito'y bawal. Malamang magkukulang ang lahat. Ikaw pala'y di na isang bata. Dear heart.
Tapak.
Dear
Maraming salamat po.
yes, thank you so much.
Naramdaman namin yun. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Maraming
Sa
salamat
pagdating
sa
ninyo.
lahat. Every one of you that came tonight, we want you to know we're
Our
very
sponsors.
grateful for your love, your support, and of course, may mga dapat din po tayong pasalamatan na iba pa as they made this reunion concert tour possible. For tonight, we'd like to thank Harris, Southern California.
Thank you, Harris.
Here in Funner, California, where it's funner. Thank you, Harris. And of course,
Paris of Southern California, our band. Thank you
yes,
very
our
much for coming back.
band. Yes.
Yes.
And of course, I want to thank you also, Gabby, for doing this tour with all of us. I'm sure our fans have been waiting for this reunion concert. I'm very happy that we're able to make them happy.
Yes, we'd like to thank you too. Without you, this would not have been possible. And of course, kasama silang lahat. Maraming
Right.
salamat.
Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you,
Yes.
Christopher. Thank you for that light stick.
Thank you,
Oh, there's one
Ate.
more light stick there. May go there one. Oh my God. Did you come from Sweden? Again? Oh my God. Thank you so much. Tomorrow again. My God. Who came? Who flew all the way here from somewhere? You're going to LA or Saman? Yes.
Beverly Hills.
Yes, so tomorrow we're leaving and we're going straight to the theater tomorrow to sing. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. I really want to thank Rick. Thank you very much. Kanina pa iyak ng iyak yan. Anyway, we did this movie.
Magkita naman tayo bukas.
But this is the theme song of this movie that we did. Now, I remember we were such good friends.
Yes.
We had been separated for 5 years already when we did this movie. And Director Laris directed it. I was so happy doing this movie.
I
because
posted, I think I posted, no I did not, yung picture natin with Laris. I'll post that sa akin.
Tagal na sa'yo. But
Yes, yes.
no, it was such a wonderful experience, this movie, because I felt we could really talk kahit about our love lives, kahit na about, of course, always about our daughter. Our daughter who shall forever bind us, diba? So anyway, we'd like to do this. This was written by Ray Valera, and it comes from our movie with the same title. This is for you.
Okay.
Kaya sila.
Ayan, nandiyan kayo.
Sana po hindi na kayo magsawang i-support po kami kahit hindi kami magkasama sa project. Pero mas okay kung magkasama kami.
At sana, magkakasama-sama tayong lahat kahit
Maputi na ang
maputi
buhok
na ang
natin.
buhok natin. Okay.
Alam mo to, di ba?
Subukan natin. Kinanta mo to, di ba?
Nung 12 ako.
Wala.
Pero anthem naman yung Sharones.
Galing. Sasabayan nyo kami, ha? Hindi tayo tapos. Kala, kasama kayo rito. Alright.
There's a nice
Sabay-sabay tayong kakanta. Alright.
Ang palipas ay babalik natin. Everybody now. Ipapaalala ko sa inyo
naman!
Nalimot ko kanta. Mohawk. Thank you, everybody!
At amaya ngayon, gusto ko tang marinig eh. Ayan. Maraming
Thank you,
salamat.
everyone! Siyempre, we can't leave you without doing this song.
This is our last song.
Yes, we'd like to thank you once again.
Yes.
Thank you for joining. Alam niyo kung sa Pilipinas po, ito 3 oras tayo dito. Pero dito papatayin tayo ng ilaw pag di kami umalis.
Unless meron kayong gusto i-request. Meron ba kayong gusto i-request?
Natatakot ako, baka ako na naman ang kakanta.
Sulit nyo lang sa mapirasong papel. At next year, magagawa namin.
Mister,
Babalik kami.
Mister, dito restaurant. Dito tayo sa harap.
Okay, alright.
Concert dito,
Inalis
concert.
na tayo.
Everybody, sing with us if you remember this. This is the love theme from Dear Heart. Ililigawan niya. Pagawa niya ng kanta. Sing along. Wish I was holding you.
Yakapin mo na! Yakapin mo na!
Ako yung vocal coach ko sa recording niya, naalala mo. Nag-cheer ako dun sa loob.
Wish I was from all the stars. You know true love can bring, but I'm never and wishes can just fly away, my love.
Ingat po kayo pauwi. Sing with us. La la la, la la.
Yakapin mo na! Yakapin mo na, babo!
La la la,
Babo, yakapin mo na! Yakapin mo na!
shining in your eyes, and you're the stars, my love. hindi na po pwede. Binabalaan na po kami sa time, lalo naman dito. Rules po nila, sorry po. Nakahanda pa nga po kami.
Wala na, pinapalabas sa tayo.
Natira sa kulay.